Hello everyone, you are welcome back to my kitchen. Today I'll show you how to make shredded beef sauce with white rice. Kindly watch this video to the very end and like it so others can see it. And these are the ingredients I'll be using. I'll list everything in the description box. First of all, I'll go ahead and cut my beef. This beef is already washed and is clean. I'll slice it like this and go ahead and shred it into thin long stripes. Shredded beef sauce is important to shred your beef in uniform sizes, thin long shreds, thin long stripes. Yeah, so that's what I'm doing. That's the size, and I'm done shredding my beef. It's perfect, clean. I'll go ahead and season my beef. You can season your beef with any herbs of your choice. I'm adding thyme, rosemary, salt, bouillon cube. This is crushed garlic and ginger. I blend everything together. Some curry powder. And I added olive oil to lock in the spices so that it will marinate properly. I give that a proper mix and set it aside to marinate. While my meat is marinating, I'll go ahead and shred my vegetables, starting with my carrots. Every vegetable for this is shredded. So I'm done shredding my vegetable. I'll also shred my bell peppers. So I'm dicing my onions. To a clean pot, I go in with my olive oil. You can feel free to use any vegetable oil of your choice. I decided to use extra virgin olive oil for this sauce. So I go ahead and fry my onions, garlic and ginger, and I go in with my well marinated shredded beef and fry this up till it's properly fried. It's perfectly fried, so I'll go ahead and scoop it out. After scooping everything out, I go ahead and fry my vegetables. I shred my onions here, adding carrots and my bell peppers, and stir. It's important not to overcook the vegetable, over fry the vegetable rather. So this is the liquid I'm going to be using to thicken my sauce. So what I have here is cornstarch. I add in some water to mix the cornstarch. I go ahead and add some more water into the cornstarch and mix, and it's well dissolved. My oyster sauce. I go ahead and add some oyster sauce to the cornstarch mixture and some soy sauce. Perfect. That's black pepper, and some curry powder. Mix it together. Add in my well-fried shredded beef. Give that a proper mix. If you are new to my channel, you are welcome. If you watch these videos to this very time, please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, like this video, subscribe to my channel, join the family. It's absolutely free. So I balance that up with some bouillon cube and also sprinkle some salt to taste. At this point, I go ahead with my liquid, which is the corn starch mixture with the soy sauce and oyster sauce, adding some more water, and my sauce is ready. Try this shredded beef sauce and let me know what you think in the comment section. Try it and pair it up with white rice and let me know what you think in the comment section. Thank you guys for watching today's video. To my amazing returning subscribers, I see you all. Thank you for the support. If you are new to the channel, please don't forget to like this video, comment and subscribe to my channel. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye bye.